Classic Hits TV from Dave and Camille in the morning.
Welcome to Boys of Zumba. Lesson number 1. I'd like to introduce the chaps who are about to join what is traditionally ladies' sport. But we're going to prove that we can do it as well, or maybe even better. You reckon better? Yeah. This is Dean. Dean over here.
Hey, how's it going?
My name's Dave. We've met once or twice. All right, I'd like to introduce Alan over here.
G'day.
Alan. This is James, and this is Nathan. And the boss is holding the camera. There he is. We can do this, can't we, boys?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, come on, let's have a little bit more. We can do this, can't we, boys?
Yeah, we can.
Alright, Boys of Zumba, we're in. Let's do it.
Dun, dun, dun.
For more, hit classichits.co.nz.